Yeah.
Really?
Like this old dude called like 3 times in a row. He was like, I got the wrong number. I'm
Oh,
like,
here at the store?
yeah. Anonymous. Kept calling. This one, and then he calls it, and then this was a new dude, so that's why I won't go answer it. I was like,
Right.
anonymous again?
Nah.
It was a new dude. I was like, okay, cool. Old dude, he's like, sorry, I got the wrong number. Called again. Same voice, same everything. Sorry, I got the wrong number. Calls again.
Wow.
And I'm like, hello, thank you for calling Barry's Plus. Home we fix it. My name is Andre. Sorry, wrong number. Click. Why the fuck you keep calling back?
Right.
And I'm like, God. And then once he hangs up again, he called, and like I get another anonymous call. So I'm looking at it like, I'm not about to answer this. Like I already know who it is. I quit calling. I didn't answer that phone 3 times. It was the same guy 3 times. Like Jesus.
That's funny.
Yeah, like he just kept calling like wrong number. If it's the wrong number, quit calling it back.
Sometimes they get it wrong, dialing it. Them old people.
He wasn't an old dude. He sounded like somebody who was young.
Oh. Maybe been shopping you, you know? Just see if you'd answer it. You did get shopped. You heard about that, right?
What?
You and Keith both got shopped on the phone.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, like legit.
Mm-hmm.
Heard you did okay, though. So, that's good.
Yeah, because I answered the same way no matter what. No matter if he calls back, I'm going to answer the same way just in case.
Yeah. Yeah, you and Keith both got shopped. I think I got shopped last night, too. The night before, I mean. This guy kept asking all these weird questions, like just to see how far I'd go.
Mm-hmm.
And I went all the way. But he kept asking all these crazy questions, you know, like, oh, well, you know, what's the milliamp hours on that? Or, you know.
Somebody Friday did do that to me.
Yeah, you got shot for sure. I heard from Russ.
Somebody Friday did that to me, and I was wondering, like, he was asking me all these questions and everything else like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I was going through them like,
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know how I did, though.
You did good. I heard about it. You did pretty good. You forgot to do one thing, but overall you did pretty good. And so did Keith. I don't think I'm supposed to tell you that, but oh well. Yeah.
Because I was like,
Yeah, that guy was your shop.
mm-hmm. Somebody did that to me Friday.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what day it was.
There was another guy that kind of studied. Well, no, I was fixing his phone for him, so he didn't really care. He was just jamming out with me too. So it's in the old school R&B. He was a cool guy.
No, that wasn't him. It was the one that you got shopped on. It was over the phone. Some guy.
Yeah, he called me about a battery.
Mm-hmm.
He started asking me. I said, "Is it for a home system?" I said, "Because what you're describing to me is for that." He said, "Yeah." And I'm like, "Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we have a bunch of these." And he started asking me about another thing and about deep cycles and everything. And I started just going away.
Yeah. Hello. How y'all doing?
What is wrong with it?
I'm the guy from T-Mobile Talks. I'm sorry to come down here.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Do you need a battery or what? Oh, screen.
I said,